We're coming at you strong with this one. You're going to want to get out your pencil and your notepad and start taking notes. And this is the most simplistic way to make money in your sleep, I believe. It's minimal, but it's valid.
And if you guys find any value in this video, make sure you subscribe and like the video.
We also have links in the description that also help out the channel. So anytime you use those links to purchase a cord, a phone case, whatever it may be, it always goes a little bit our way. So
right. And anything you see in this is probably in our links. Like, we've got our speakers, we've got the computer, the interface, everything else you see in this, the desk, the speaker stands,
the lights around us, they'll all be linked.
Right.
We really appreciate all you viewers out there that are watching the video.
Thanks for tuning in.
From here on out, it's going to be more about growth and monetary value between us, more of a business rather than just having fun and creating videos. We're going to try to spread our knowledge into something more.
Right, and we're really just looking to inspire anybody else trying to do that. Because nowadays, you can make all the money you need from your computer. Exactly. So it's like, we're just getting the journey of us turning clicks to cash.
Yeah.
So yeah, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and leave a comment where you're at right now, like where you're starting from. We're starting from, how much did we make on our first sale cam?
90 cents.
Yes, sir.
90 cents.
Today's about the first money we made.
Pull it out and set it on the table.
I can pull it up. Oh, the 90 cents. I thought you were talking about.
Bro, that's what I think we should do. I think every time we get an amount of money, we should display it on the table to show how far we've actually come.
And each one of you that are watching this video right now are going to see it from start to end.
Yep.
It's never going to end, bro. Because that would be great. We're going to have to get a bigger table at some point. So make sure you follow and subscribe.
Because this one's real sauce. Like, this one is going to be it.
We're going to tell y'all how we made our first real money on the internet. We were definitely both excited when we saw that real 90 cents in there. And disclaimer, it was Cameron buying it to check if the links worked. Mm-hmm. But just seeing actual money on the computer from us making an affiliate link, and how simple was it to make that link, bro?
Bro, it was so simple. It was definitely worth the 90 cents.
100%. Look at that. Should we spread it out?
Yeah.
Put it down our head?
Yeah, because eventually we will be doing that.
I think we should put it right by us.
But no, it's not the fact of the 90 cents. It's the principle in the work that we've put in to come to this point to make the 90 cents, you know? Mm-hmm. It's like it's all been about our will to not give up.
Right. And it's crazy because we started this, like we said, 1.5 years ago. Mm-hmm. So it's like, and we've made money here and there. We've had concerts. It's not like this is our first money we've made off the business, but straight from online. Yeah. I mean, other than like streaming. Because we've made some money online through that, and we could make that a part of this.
Right. A
part of Clicks to Cash. I think that'd be a great second episode, because this is just the first way we were like, oh, okay. Yeah. All we did was put some links in our description. Clicked. And it's the work comes in with you having like a good enough video that provides enough value where someone's like, because that's why we link products we use. That's the only type of products we're ever going to link.
Because we find value in them.
Right. And we want to share that value. And it just helps with the channel because we really love doing this. Like we said, our goal is to inspire you guys. Mm-hmm. And that's why we record our process. We're not like, oh, let's just record. It's always something we're doing.
Right. It's always productive. It's always goal-oriented. But this time it finally paid off. Like, it made money with minimal work, to be honest, you know?
Because, it's kind of still like this because one of us bought it, you know what I mean? So it's like, I can't wait to come back and be like our first sale from someone we don't even know.
Right, but that's inevitable at this point. It's like, how many of those can we push out?
Because it's like, I feel with anything we do, we test it out. And that's what we were doing with this. And
Right.
all he did was buy this chair. And it was a $30 chair. And so that means if someone saw a link in your YouTube video and you have something of value to them and they're like, yes, I would like to utilize that for myself, and make sure it's tried and true by you. We've had
Right.
all this stuff for years. We've had this from the
Right.
beginning, the stuff
Right.
we link. So, and I mean, some of it's new, but it's stuff that we genuinely are impressed by and use every day. So,
Right. We're not going to lead you in the wrong direction on any of this stuff.
right.
Like-
And really the basis of this is us, like, not only showing the journey. This is more, when we have a podcast, I feel like it's more analytical. So we're trying to teach something. So that's
Right.
why it's like really about your guys' YouTube that are watching this right now. Because if you don't have a YouTube, you're probably not watching this. Or if you are watching this without a YouTube, make the damn YouTube today.
Yeah.
Because if you want to go get money online, and it's not just YouTube, and it's not the only one you have to use. You don't even have to use YouTube, but whatever your passion is, research how to get started in that field if you haven't already started. I feel like most people watching this will at least have started.
Right. Yeah. I mean, that's literally the first step, is starting. And I think starting a lot of different things and trying many different things and failing at all those things led to this one thing that worked.
100%.
You know?
And it's like we said, it's not really just the one thing that's worked. It's straight profit. It might be the first thing we made profit from, because when we're making money at concerts, we're buying it.
But
Or
there
we're-
was no expense in this. That's
Right.
That's probably the number one key thing to this. There's no expense
Right.
yet.
And you can make money while you're sleeping doing it.
Yeah.
It's your video's gonna be live if you, and really the main core of it is your video. Like, you really want to focus on providing value from something you're passionate about, or just something that you've done over the years. Some people make YouTubes out of their day job. A lot of people do. They'll be working at a coffee place or an ice cream place, and it's like they're probably making a whole bunch of money online just because they're recording their process.
Exactly. Yeah. And the reason why I say yet in the no overhead right now is because we haven't started ads for this yet.
Right.
So once ads come into play, that's going to take a lot of the profit off the table.
Yeah.
So
But it could, see, we have to, that's why your content is always the most important, because no matter you're making ads, to get conversions, you need to make a damn good video that people actually want.
Correct.
Like, you gotta convince them to pull out their wallet. That's the thing about affiliate links. They have to buy it straight from that link when they click from it. So it's like if they click on the link and then they exit out of that tab, you don't get a sale.
Right.
But it worked out with your chair because we didn't have that product linked, but he had just clicked on one of our links and it paid us 90 cents just because he bought something from the clicked link. And it wasn't even something we had as a product link.
Yeah, that's the craziest part to me.
It is to me,
how
too.
the system just like picked that up from the beginning and then paid us out.
Yeah.
I
I'm
mean,
hoping they don't take it away from us now because we're
It-
talking about it.
but no, it was pretty simplistic, I would say. We're definitely gonna show you guys how we started and how to begin doing this yourself. So if you're following along, you can see right down here below us is a screen recording of the actual affiliate center. So starting out, looks like we have had 75 clicks on all of our attached links to our videos.
Right.
That's not including the ones that I made myself, but those are minimal, probably like 5 or 6.
Right. And I've probably had another 5 or 6 that I've clicked, just testing them out, or even going back and being like, how much was that?
Right.
Just so we had an idea. So it's like, but wait, I've just been clicking on them now, and it was 75 before I started this video. So I don't know if it counts. It might count if you click on it, but I don't think it counts if I click on it.
Gotcha. Okay.
Because I definitely clicked it a few I guess we could refresh and see.
75.
Right. So, yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't count if you click on the links. So, it's probably, we've got a good 60, 65 clicks.
Mm-hmm.
Which is super cool, and we appreciate it a lot. Like, everybody who's shown support through those affiliate links, if you're watching this video here, we truly do appreciate. Like, every click is super cool to see, because it's like...
It's something that we can track every day. Like, we're texting each other back and forth, like, yo, check that account. Yo, have you seen it?
Yeah.
Like, what's it doing? What's it doing?
Right.
And, like, any click is, like... a hit of dopamine for me.
It is. It's like, it's working. That's why we got this 90 cents right here. Yep. And that's why we want you guys to start this. We really want, like, all we want is for people to do what they love. And I feel like a lot of people let the fear hold them back of even starting. This is Apartment 13 Studios. You can find us on social medias at Apartment 13 Studios all across the board. We're a recording studio based out of Effingham, Illinois.
We've been capturing our journey for the past year and a half now. You can see that in our other videos that we posted.
So it's like, maybe we can convince y'all. Bro, imagine people coming into the 40th video of this series.
And there's a stack.
Yeah, and we're always going to have this first video where we put that money there. And it's like, I love that.
It's so symbolic.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I love it.
Because, yeah, it's going to be like, I just made $1 million online. And no, we ain't going to have that sitting there, but we going to be holding our phones up like, look at that shit.
Well, probably not when we have that much. We'll probably stop this. Because, I mean, we're not going to be like, look at that shit. Maybe we will. But, I mean, yes, we will. If we're doing something like this and we're teaching about it, we are definitely going to do that. Yeah. So, yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, we're going to be like, we made it. From here to there. We can make a new intro once we get there.
Oh, yeah. We're going to be in a whole different place.
But I want to kind of break down for them exactly what we did. So you'll first need to make an Amazon Associates account. You can just find that from Google, I'm sure. And it's really simple to set it up. You do have to enter tax information, and you have to fill out a few details. But I mean, it took us, 5-10 minutes?
Yeah, not long.
Not that much information. It's a simple, what is it, a W-4, W-2?
Yeah, it's just your tax information, so, like, your individual.
Right,
I think
just like you're applying to a job. And if you do have a certified business, you'll want to enter the tax information for your business. We haven't got an LLC yet for the studio, which will definitely be another part of this journey. So one of these days we're going to be making a video about the best way to do that.
How to edit your tax information on this.
Right. So yeah, you'll want to make your Amazon Associates account, and then you can actually go straight to Amazon, and it'll pop up here. So we got the speakers. And right here, simply all you do is hit text. And this is for descriptions only. You can also make videos out of it. Or this one has image, text plus image, and custom. So
it will also take you directly to Facebook or Twitter with a picture. It's kind of generic. But the link processor is called Amazon Site Stripe. So basically what you're doing is you're striping the site each time, and then you're going to make commissions. So say I bought these speakers from Trevor right now with this link that he's generating, he would make a commission off that.
Right. So yeah, you'll simply go to Amazon, hit text up there for descriptions, and I'm talking about like YouTube descriptions once you make your YouTube videos. Go make that account if you haven't. But yeah, you'll literally just copy that text. So what you'll want to do is make a Google Doc, and then you'll post all your links. You'll paste it, and then you'll put speakers. And then you'll just do that for all of the equipment you use.
And if you want to buy these speakers right now, they're linked in the description.
And that really does help the channel out to keep bringing videos like this for you guys. And that's what we want to do. So if you are a music producer, or even if you're a video editor, stuff like this comes in handy. You don't realize how important sound is on videos. That's why we went through all the time to set up the microphone, and we go through all the time to line up the videos. It's like a lot of this is so useful for podcasts, just for everyday life. You can podcast really about anything.
Yeah. But this is useful. I hope that at least one person finds value in this video. If you found value in this today, what we shared with you, please leave a comment, leave a like, and please subscribe, because it does us a lot of justice.
It does. And we work really hard for all this, so it really means a lot. Like we said, we geek out over 65 clicks, bro.
Right.
And it's 90 cents, you know? But it's like, we'd send it to each other, and we were like, yo, it worked.
It's like the golden ticket out. Like, you got it written right in front of you. It's like, you made the 90 cents. All you got to do is do it 90 more times, and then 90 more times, and then 90 more times. Right. And then look at how big the pile is going to be.
And this was one simple thing that we added to already what we were doing. We were already posting YouTube videos. Why not link the items we use in the description and make a very small, but it's very good to know that it's like the best way of showing someone got value from your work. And like, that's all we're trying to do.
Yeah, we're just trying to provide value.
Right. So yeah, I really hope you guys found some value in this. After you do that, you'll simply put it in your YouTube description, and if someone clicks on your link and finds value in your video and they decide to support your channel, which is greatly appreciated, by the way, when you guys buy from the links in our description. I feel like that's kind of a joke, because we're teaching you about, or we're not teaching, but we're showing what we've learned about affiliate marketing, and then we're like, go get our product. But I mean,
but it's true.
That's the main point of what we're getting across, is we do these products for our channel because we know they are good products, or at least,
and we know they work.
Right. In our opinion, they're really good products, and it's what we use every day. So,
and this is the most simplistic way to make money in your sleep. I believe it's minimal, but it's valid. So, like, I think low work, low reward.
But I mean, if someone's watching this that has 30,000 subscribers and they didn't know about this,
that could be very high reward.
You could be making thousands of dollars every month just from linking these in every description you have. And I'm sure a lot of people with 30, right? I'm sure a lot of people with 30,000 subscribers know about this, and that's why you guys see in their descriptions they have all their products linked, but not all of them. Comment below if you have 30,000 or over subscribers and you learned something from this video, because that would be super cool. I would love to just hear that. Like, that would be awesome, because they could make a bag, bro, simply by doing this. This is the most simple way to do it.
Even if you drink Fiji water, you could make a short about how you drink Fiji water and link your link, and the people that also drink Fiji water, they could buy, and you make money off that.
A lot of people do buy drinks and stuff from Amazon.
Right.
A lot of people shop with Amazon, and it's why Amazon did this. Amazon's making money. You who makes the YouTube videos is making money. It's like,
it's honestly anyone that posts it. Like you, your brother, your mom, you could make 10 of these accounts tomorrow, and all of you make YouTubes, Instagrams, Facebooks. Someone's going to get a sale somewhere.
Right. You just got to keep grinding. Don't ever stop. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Clicks to Cash Part 1. Y'all better be ready for Part 2. Damn, we didn't even get time to rap.